how to make money with cryptos and NFTs on Bitkeep wallet or Bitget wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can earn money with cryptos and NFTs on Bitget wallet, previously Bitkeep wallet. Well, first things first, once you have added funds in your account, you can start trading. Bitget allows you to trade spot or futures. For beginners, I'll recommend starting with spot trading. It's less risky as you are simply buying and holding crypto until its value increases. Now, the quick tip, always start small and use the demo account to practice before using real money. Similarly, NFTs. Bitget also offers access to NFTs. You can buy, sell, or hold NFTs as digital assets. NFTs are a great way to earn if you know how to spot valuable projects. Look for popular collections and do your research. If you are unsure about trading strategies, Bitget has a unique feature called copy trading. This lets you copy the trades of experienced traders. Simply find a top performing trader and let Bitget do the work for you. Now, here are the quick tips for beginners. You can start with small amounts to minimize risk. Always do your own research before investing. Diversify between cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Use stop losses to protect your capital. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.